Okay, theory is cool, but let's get real. I'll show you live demonstrations of how a weak prompt and a strong prompt give completely different results. By the end, you'll literally see the power of prompt engineering in action. Imagine you're a student in the US. You need a quick essay. Let's try a weak prompt first. Weak. Write an essay about climate change. Look at the output. It's generic, flat, and honestly, sounds like every other essay on the internet. Now the strong version. Strong. You are a college professor of environmental science. Write a 400-word essay on climate change for a freshman-level class. Use simple examples and an inspiring tone. Boom. Suddenly, it's engaging, structured, and feels human. Next up, job hunting. Most people ask AI, weak, write me a job application email. Output, boring, copy-paste vibe. Now watch this. Strong. Write a polite professional email requesting a job referral for a marketing role. Keep it under 150 words, make it sound approachable yet confident, and add a short thank you at the end. See the difference? The strong prompt feels authentic, like you wrote it. Let's move into creativity. Weak. Write a story about a detective. The AI spits out something generic and predictable. Now let's add building blocks. Strong. Write a 200-word detective story set in 1930s New York. The detective is sarcastic, drinks too much coffee, and the twist should come in the final line. Now it's cinematic. It feels alive. This is where AI stops being boring. Creators, this one's for you. Weak. Make a YouTube video script about AI tools. The result? Meh. No hook, no structure. Now the strong version. Strong. You are a YouTube scriptwriter for a tech channel. Write a 7-minute script about the top 5 free AI tools for students in 2025. Keep it fun, energetic, and use simple American English. Add hooks, transitions, and a closing call to action. This version, way more clickable, way more watchable. Finally, let's try research. Weak. Tell me about World War II. You'll get a Wikipedia-style dump. Strong, summarize World War II in under 200 words in simple language as if you're explaining it to a 12-year-old. Add 3 key takeaways at the end. Now that's digestible. That's useful. So that's the difference between weak prompts and strong prompts. The words you choose literally transform the output. In the next module, I'll give you my personal cheat codes, advanced prompt frameworks that you can copy-paste and use instantly.